Yo, what's up? It's your boy Steve here again. And in this video, guys, I'm going to go over some really cool information. I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 per sale online. Let me say it again. $1,000 per sale, not 100, not $25, but $1,000 per sale. Now, there's a lot of different opportunities out there. There's a lot of great ways on how you can earn income online. One of my favorite ways of earning income on the internet is what's called high ticket commissions. This really helps you reach your income goals faster with the same amount of effort. It really takes the same amount of effort, whether you're marketing something that's going to pay you $25 or if you're marketing something that's going to pay you $1,000. It's really the same effort, right? So you might as well take advantage of something that's going to pay you more money for the same amount of effort. Therefore, you can reach your goals, whether it's earning six figures a year or whatever your goal is. You can definitely get there much faster. Now, one of my favorite opportunities, one of my favorite offers that I market online is a company called Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is it's a community, really. It's a community. It's a website. It's a training platform that really teaches people how to market online. And they have a lot of 6 and 7 figure earners within this community that are really sharing best practices, how they're doing, what they're doing, in all different, using all different types of strategies, paid marketing, free strategies, social media, Facebook, YouTube, you name it, all the different things that you see all the time, and they really break it down. Now, with this exceptional platform, to get access to it, people can get access to certain levels of training and tools and resources, by paying a certain fee. To just like education, it's just like college. Whatever you want to take certain courses, you get access to it if you pay your tuition. Well, Legendary Marketer is basically kind of the same. However, if you're referring other people that want to really make serious bank online, they're going to pay you for it big time, right? And I'm talking about $1,000 per sale, actually $1,000 or more. So real quick, I'm going to give you a few tips that can really help you to make $1,000 per sale online. So let's just jump right into it. I got my list here. So one of the first things, guys, you got to really understand when you're trying to make money on the internet, a lot of times we just want to jump into things and hope for the best. Well, you don't want to do that. You really need training. You got to take this training thing serious, okay? A lot of people don't, but you definitely want to. Now, let me show you a little bit about what you're going to get access to. And I got a few steps that's going to help you see how you can make $1,000 per sale online this year, okay? I'm talking about getting things started to where you can, if you watch the information, listen to the instructions that I'm giving you, who knows what you can do in the next 30 days. I mean, you could literally start changing your life literally within the next 30 days if you watch the information, take massive action, and be consistent, okay? So first thing that you want to do is training. You gotta get trained. Now let me show you. Now, as you can see, I'm actually on the Legendary Marketers page here as well because, again, it's a perfect name. They're helping people to become legendary marketers. So I'm going to log in, and we're going to look at really quick what it means in terms of training. Now, of course, you're going to get access. Of course, right below, you're going to see a link until where you can actually get access to the 15-day business challenge, which is basically going to give you a lot of fundamental information that can really help you to win online. I'm sure that if you're new, if you've been struggling online, there's a lot of things that you're missing. You need to get those gaps filled. These videos here will help fill in those gaps and help you really understand of what you really need to do and what it takes to really be a top earner on the internet, okay? And they're going to give you that information. It's 15 days worth of training. They're going to give you access to one video per day over the next 15 days. So you definitely want to take advantage of that if you haven't already. Some of you have already been through this or whatever, but just letting you know, if you haven't, definitely take advantage of it. You'll see a link below on how you can set up your account so you can get access to this training. As you can see, our fearless leader here, Dave Sharp, who's basically breaking everything down. And Dave has made multiple tens of millions of dollars on the internet. It's going to show you really what it takes and what you have to do to really make an impact in your finances this year. Okay, so definitely check that out. So that's more on the training aspect, right? And if I go into the Marketers Club, which is $30 a month, you definitely want to get access to that. That's going to give you access to some really sharp individuals that's going to give you some really good training to really help you understand what you need to do to really start winning. Matter of fact, if you look here, I'm sure you've heard of this name, Kevin Harrington. He's, again, a shark. He's from the Shark Tank, right? So the TV show, right? He was one of the original sharks on that television show. Here's Dave. Here's Kevin there. And they're just going to be talking about some really good stuff. As you can tell here, 7 videos, about 48 minutes of really good stuff that what you need to get. And you'll get access to this once you become a member of the Marketers Club. It's like $30 a month. Of course, one of my mentors, Mark Harbert, video marketing rock star, really definitely knows what it takes to really win in terms of creating content. He goes over a lot of good stuff. This is going to really help you, okay? It's content and traffic. Keyword, traffic and content. Both of them are together. You got to learn how to create traffic for your offers. And you're going to have to learn how to create content, for when people are coming across your information, they can see your content, right? So you're going to have to learn traffic. You're going to have to learn how to start creating content. And the great thing is that they're breaking all that down in this section right here. And of course, you have another friend of mine, Nathan Lucas, going to really show you how to win with content on YouTube. Guys, YouTube is like the second most powerful search engine out there. Let's take advantage of it. So all these things really make a difference in terms of what you can do in terms of getting best results. Now, again, also, there's some other live training that you'll get access to. Now, this is all part of the training. I'm just looking at my notes here. So training, right, is going to be key. It's going to help you to learn how to drive traffic, massive amounts of traffic to whatever your offer is. And it's going to show you how to create compelling content. Because remember, guys, content is about getting people's attention. That's how it is nowadays. Everybody's selling something. Everybody's trying to offer something. So you got to break through the noise with certain types of content. And the great thing is that they've got it all laid out here, right? So training, traffic, and content, that's going to lead to a sales funnel. So like people, if you're getting trained, you got the training, you're developing traffic, people are landing on your content and they're getting an opportunity to get to know you more, and you're building that relationship with people, and they say, hey, I like this information, I want to know more. They click on a link that's going to land them on a sales funnel, a capture page or what have you, right? So if you look here on Legendary Marketer, if I go to affiliates and then I go to funnels, you got 4 different funnels here. The business challenge here, which is really cool here. And one thing too about sales funnels, here's one. Of course, there's several others. I'm not going to go into all the details because you'll be able to see this all for yourself once you get inside the back office. But the great thing about, so like here's one of the sales funnels. If I go to affiliate links, here's one here, and that's one. And then here's another one. Let me go to End Financial Stress. This is one that I've used a lot, that we've made a lot of money from. Of course, it comes with a capture page, and when people opt in on the capture page, they're going to land on this. This video right here, guys, is a killer. Man, it definitely makes a difference. We've gotten a lot of signups because of this video here. Now, again, if you look at the capture page here, one thing that's going to be really important for you is when you're marketing is you got to have an autoresponder, and they've already got, where you can either just use Legendary Marketer system, or you can use, so if you have Aweber, GetResponse, etc., you can use those as well to capture those leads, and also for them to be able to send out emails to everybody that's coming into your sales funnel, right? So follow-up is key, right? Fortune is in the follow-up. So it's not just the content, it's not just the traffic, it's not just the sales funnel, it's also the follow-up, okay? So all this, as you can see, I'm painting a picture here. Everything matters, not just one thing. All of it matters, right? And this is the road to get you to making $1,000 per sale. That's what we're looking here, right? So now, follow-up is key. As people are following up and they're going through your sales funnel, it's going to lead them to that offer. Like right here in that video, this is going to give them a very good offer. It's going to talk about a lot of great things that Legendary Marketer has. For example, different levels of education. Some of these different packages are $2,500 one time. And here's a great thing as well, is that they even have business plan advisors. So for example, if you're an affiliate of Legendary Marketer and you're marketing, you're driving traffic and people are opting in and getting, going through the training, and a lot of them are getting started, you don't have to train them. Legendary Marketer already has business plan advisors that will train and mentor everybody that you're putting into the system. So all you have to focus on is just building your business, just driving traffic to the pages, as you can tell right here, that they already have made for you, which convert very, very well. Make sense? That was one of the main reasons why I got into Legendary Marketer, because there's a lot of automation. All I have to do is just drive traffic, and the company does everything else for me, where people are actually speaking on the phone with everybody who I refer to the company. Guys, that's powerful. I don't even have to pick up the phone and talk to anybody. The company does it all for me. It'll also do it for you. Now, when people are upgrading, getting started, you earn commissions, whether they're coming in at the Marketers Club membership, which is like $30, you get like an $18 commission, and you get commissions on some of the other different products as well. All the different products that they have, there's commissions around it. However, a lot of people get access to some of the higher packages. Remember, this is a high ticket opportunity because it gives them more information, right? Gives them everything that they need to know in terms of being a top earner online. When people pay $2,500, guess what? You just earn $1,000 in one transaction, right? And it works. And I love getting those emails when, hey, boom, such and such just signed up and actually upgraded, and boom, you just made $1,000. And I didn't even talk to the individual. That's what Legendary Marketer is all about. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. This is a powerful system here, and a lot of people are making hundreds, even millions of dollars in this opportunity because it's well put together. It's a great opportunity. I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it if you're looking for a way to where you can earn higher commissions, right? And more automation, meaning because no matter what you promote, you're going to have to drive traffic and create content. It doesn't matter what you do, right? If you're in terms of marketing, if you're going to be marketing something, whatever it is, you're going to have to do those things. So if you're going to do those things, you might as well get paid the best for the effort, right? And they got a lot of this stuff automated for you. All you have to do is just drive the traffic. So really cool opportunity, guys. I'm excited about it. I just want to show you how you can make $1,000 per day. This company actually pays out even more. It goes all the way up to $4,800 per sale because they got a lot of different packages that you can actually check out. I'm not going to go into the details. I'm going to keep this video short. Click on the link below. You'll see for yourself how it all works. Check out that link. Watch the videos and all that good stuff. Get inside the system. Remember, you can actually get inside and actually take advantage here. Let me go back. You can take advantage of, you can go through the challenge here and actually start getting trained. A lot of good information here, guys. This is priceless information. This is really good information that you definitely want. If you're struggling, if you're like, man, I don't know how I'm going to be able to do this and do that online, or I don't know if I'm ever have any success online, you need to watch this stuff because you're missing some stuff. You're lacking on some knowledge on some things that you need to know that you don't know yet, and you need to get that information. And they're giving you that information right here. And you could take it a step further by being a part of the Marketers Club, by getting some of the other packages that's going to really help put you in position to where you can really do some big things. So take advantage of at least that information. And then, hey, guys, invest in yourself so you can really make an impact in your business, in your lifestyle this year. Not next year, this year and beyond. That's what it's all about, guys. So I'm excited about it. Really glad that we got started with Legendary Marketer last year. And with the new 3.0 version that's available now, sky's the limit. So with that said, guys, I'll let you get to it. Click on the link below. Be sure to like this video. Go ahead and leave a comment. And also be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I got a lot of great stuff I'm going to be adding to this channel on a daily basis. So you don't want to miss out on those notifications when I'm adding a lot of great stuff. So with that said, guys, enjoy the rest of your day or evening. And we'll see you guys over the top. Peace out.